Hello fam, welcome back to another interesting video. Let's quickly whip up a delicious mouth-watering native rice. Yes, also known as palm oil rice. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's begin. In a clean pot, go in with your well-washed meat. We're making use of assorted meats. Go in with some diced onions, some salt, some dry thyme, and now go in with your seasoning. Afterwards, you give it a quick stir. Now, cover it and allow it to steam for some minutes. And after 5 minutes, we are checking, guys. Look at the juice. Guys, we'll be cooking it until it is soft and tender, alright? So you go ahead and add in more water. Cover it up with some water and cover and allow it to continue cooking, okay? Until it is soft. This is us checking. At this point, it is well cooked. Yes, it is done. So set it aside. Now, moving on to the next one. In a clean pot, go in with your palm oil. Next up is your garlic and ginger paste. Very important, guys. Do not skip it. Fry it for just a few seconds and introduce your diced onions. Give it a quick stir. Let's allow it fry for a minute. After a minute, go in with your well-washed dry fish, followed by your ground crayfish. We didn't make use of all. We're leaving some. It will come later. Alright, give it a quick stir. Now, introduce your well-cooked meat. Consists of beef shin, honeycomb, and cow foot boneless. So guys, once you've added it, go on and stir. It is coming up well. So guys, next is your peppers. Go on and add in your pepper mix, your seasoning, and give it a stir. Now introduce your garlic ginger paste again, guys, and go in with some salt and stir. Let's test for salt, guys. It is perfect. Now go in with the remaining crayfish, okay? Go in with your eggs. It's optional though. It depends what you want, guys. Afterwards, you stir it. Allow it to simmer for a minute and then introduce your scent leaves. We are making use of dry scent leaves, guys. If you're using fresh one, you do not need to apply it or add it now, but should come lastly. It's very hard to get the fresh one here, so I'm using the dry one. We are putting it this time because we want it to soften, okay? You don't want to put it lastly because it will still be hard. Now introduce your well-washed rice, okay? Sorry guys, I had to change the pot because everything is becoming big, and that's first pot. I don't think it will accommodate it, so we need to switch to another bigger pot. So bear with me, guys. Now cover it with more water and stir. Just adjust it. So you cover it and allow it to cook, yes, until the water goes down. After some minutes, we are checking. As you can see, it still got some water, so we're going to adjust it just to allow the water to go down, okay? And at this point, guys, reduce your heat. Cook on low heat, okay? Yes, we are avoiding it getting burnt. All right. So we're going to cover it again and allow to cook. At this point, the water is almost dry. So go in with some diced onions. Yes. Now go in with any leafy green of your choice. And if you are making use of scent leaf, fresh one. This is the time to apply it. Yes, you put it lastly. Okay? If you have been following me, you will know that I love garnishing my food with some leafy greens. Yes. And that is why I added some sliced kale leaves on it lastly. Okay? But if you are using scent leaf, the fresh one, please, this is the time to garnish it up with it. Okay? All right, go on and stir. All right, stir to well combine. Look at how it's looking, so lovely, guys. It looks so good. Now let's cover it again and allow it to just simmer for a few seconds, and then it is set, guys. All set. It looks so good, guys. Give it a shot. It is simple and very easy. Yeah, if you want to make a low budget food, there is an option for you. Okay? All right, so you take it off the heat. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious mouth-watering palm oil rice is set, guys. Give it a go. I assure you, you will love it. And please remember to share to your loved ones, families, and friends for them to try it out also. Let me especially appreciate my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, I am grateful. Thank you so much for all you do. Yes. And to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe and be part of this beautiful family, okay? All right, guys, we are dishing out our food. Yes. Look at how it's looking. I'm sure you are salivating. You can't tell me otherwise. You are salivating where you are. I know. So, guys, it is time to enjoy it. So you enjoy it with me, okay? Super delicious, guys. Please give it a go. And let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Thank you, guys. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow for more tasty recipes. Bye.